What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh man. What's going on, everyone? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions, and I know that this is going to sound like super crazy or super funny. I'm actually going to take this off right now. But we talked about this concept on Friday, especially for those that are part of Learn Plan Profit. Imagine trading all day and not looking at your P&L, right? So obviously because of the idea behind, you know, the bird box, right, and the bird box challenge of like the little blindfold and stuff like that. I thought it'd be a funny and kind of like creative way on how to implement, like, to not look at what and how much you are up or down throughout the entire day. So I think a huge part when it comes down to emotional trading is knowing how much it is that you are up, chasing the dollar value. So if your goal is to make $100 and it's at $98, I know that I've been there 100%. Where, I want to make $100 on the day and I'm up $98 and I don't sell my position because I'm not up 100, which my dollar amount that I'm up or down has no correlation to the stock, and sometimes it doesn't hit the price point that it has to hit at to get me to $100, and then it gets rejected. And then because I was greedy and because I chased the dollar value, I end up going from green to red, right? Again, this is not going to be a challenge that would resonate well with everyone. You need to know how to understand patterns. And I'm going to give you a perfect example. For those that are part of Learn Plan Profit, I've taken 2 trades so far already. 4 trades, including my entries and my exit, but 2 trades total. One was in the green, one was in the red. And I know that because I'm now watching very carefully my position size and stuff like that. So right now, natural gas was from aggressively descending now to progressively pushing up. And I'm going to show you exactly what it is that I'm talking about. For those that are part of Learn Plan Profit, they saw me trade live this morning and saw me take my position this morning. My average purchase price, I went in with 200 shares. If I'm not mistaken, my average purchase price was after it broke above the EMA line. It was a little bit above 109, and then the second one was a little bit below that 109, and then I ended up selling at 110.49. I know that one was in the green. Again, I did not do the math. I think my average purchase price was 109.71 because I added at 60 and I added some at 80. And then I ended up selling at 111.49. Again, don't ruin it for everybody. You don't have to tell me how much that was. It just doesn't matter. I'm not trying to do the math in my head. One thing that I also saw was due to a divergence, I ended up taking a 100 share position size when it began to consolidate. It broke below the EMA line, and then I ended up cutting losses at 110.49. So again, one was in the green, one was in the red. I know that ultimately I still should be in the green for the day, but the biggest thing is just simply not following and not looking at the P&L, solely trading off of patterns. And just imagine that concept. And I'm going to make a video. I'll show at the end of the day how much I'm up, how much I'm down, depending on where it's at. But just imagine being able to trade solely off of patterns. No emotional trading, again, because you don't care how much it is that you're up. You don't care how much it is that you're down. Anytime that you see that it's at a resistance, that it's overbought, that any indicator is telling you that it might pull back, you lock in profits. Every time that you see a proper time to enter, not to maximize profits, but just for a good entry, that you trade solely off the pattern. That's the whole point of the Bird Box trading challenge. Again, it's just an idea. It's just a concept. I try to make it fun in a creative way. And that is really just it. There's nothing fancy to it. It's literally like just to implement structure with your trades. If you want to accept it, feel free to comment down below. I accept the challenge. If you don't feel like they're there yet, just like we had someone within the Learn Plan Profit group saying that they're not ready to fully not look at their P&L in the day, and that's 100% okay. Like, they're going to slowly check up on it and just make sure that they're doing well. And again, you do as you please. I just wanted to share something and hope that it can resonate well with you and that it can implement structure for you to become a more consistent and profitable trader. If you're someone that has been struggling with emotional trading of, always chasing the dollar value and just, you know who it is that you are, right? I know that I've been there multiple times, and if you struggle sometimes with entering or exiting positions, just understand that, right? If you want to accept this challenge, great. If not, then I hope that the video made you laugh. I'll keep you guys up to date at the very end of the day. I should really stop trading within 1 to 2 hours. I have a couple meetings throughout the later throughout the day. I also do have a vlog that I'm going to be uploading for my trip to Arkansas. A lot of you guys really did enjoy the day in life that I did on my trip to when I was trading, and then when I went to California. So I did another vlog for you guys. It's being filmed, it's being edited right now, and then I'll have that for you guys at a later time. So I hope that you guys are excited for this. I hope I earned your thumbs up in this video. I hope you guys are pumped for this concept. And again, let's focus on direction. Let's focus on the overall patterns that we're investing in. Just quality. That's all we're focusing on, quality and structure, and making sure that there's a reason behind everything that we do. So Christopher, I like that. Chris, challenge accepted. I don't know how many people we're going to get to accept the challenge. It's okay. Even if we have one person and it helps one person, that's all that matters, because again, it's all about just making sure that we understand what it is that we're doing. I also do want to remind you guys that we are still running the discount for $50 off the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library. That's that first link in the description. If you want to refresh your page, if it doesn't pop up, just be sure to click that first link. You'll get $50 off the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library in response to Super Bowl Sunday. And again, it's the first 15 people. I think we had like 2 or 3 spots left. But wish you guys an amazing rest of your Monday. Let's lock in profits. Let's focus on that quality. And let's have some fun and make some money. Take it easy, team.